Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the Aussie dollar US dollar FX for Wednesday, September 11, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today. The candle we're analysing is the second last candle on the chart, and that candle has made a higher high and a higher low, confirming the uptrend in this first time frame. A small white body candle. It does raise some doubt about continuation of the trend to the upside, but already for today's trading we have seen confirmation with this current candle. It's developing, forming a higher high and a higher low. So there was potential for a change of trend because the buyers had lost some momentum in net terms. They've only made a much smaller amount of net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close compared to the previous day's trading, and that suggested that there was potential for a change of trend. But if we look at where the market closed within the range for this trading day, it's closed up at the high, and that means that the buyers have closed with control of this market, and they've maintained control that the buyers had for the previous day's trading. We see a large shadow on the bottom of the candle representing the sellers losing commitment down around these levels, and therefore we have seen confirmation of continuation of this trend. We also have a bullish breakout up above the cloud, and that gives us some good confidence in this market trading to higher levels. So there is potential for this market to trade up to 93.86, and that's the closest to resistance that may be offered by this market if this uptrend does continue. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, this market is trading well above the 423.6% level. We've moved above there in a very bullish manner, and the market is continuing to trade up. We have a target at the 685.4% level at 94.89. It's quite rare to see a market trade up to these levels, however, so it wouldn't surprise to see this market come off. So we are looking for a market that may not be as dynamic as it has been in the recent past with these very large white-bodied candles. But as I've mentioned, the market is looking a little bit overextended by trading so far up through these Fibonacci levels. Also, the Fibonacci retracement is telling us a similar story, trading in a bullish manner through the 423.6% level. The next target here is the 685.4 at 94.89, so a fair way above where the market's trading, and whether it does that in this first time frame is debatable, unlikely as well. So we are likely to see a change of trend eventually in this market, but there certainly aren't too many signs of this happening at the moment. The only thing is this reduction in the size of the body, and we haven't had confirmation of a change of trend. Now we are seeing the market trade through the highs of this of today's trading. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, obviously a bullish market in all three time frames, and I've mentioned the bullish breakout up above the cloud and giving us a buy signal in terms of Ichimoku. We have the market also trading above the Kijun Sen and the Tenkan Sen, so we have a bullish market in the medium term and fast term time frames, and both of those indicators are pointing up and reflecting the solid upside momentum in this market. And looking across at the Chica span, that's above the corresponding price action, so it's telling us that the market has some decent upside momentum in that higher time frame, and confirming what we're seeing in all three time frames, and suggesting that this market has good potential to trade up at least to the 93.86 level of resistance. If this market does come off, and already we're seeing this happen, there is potential to find support at the top of the cloud, and that's what we're seeing at the moment. The top of the cloud is roughly around the 93.20 level, so good potential for support there, and we have a minor swing higher around that level as well from the recent past. So we are looking for the market to test up to 93.86 as this uptrend continues, but some decent support below where the market's trading at the moment.